So today Anthropic dropped a massive report, which is their risk report for 2026. This is updated for August. And the purpose of this report is basically kind of showcasing how they're managing AI development and balancing risk at the same time. Obviously, AI is a new technology. As you are implementing this new technology, as you're innovating, there are some risks that need to be addressed. And these type of reports are quite common, especially from OpenAI and Anthropic. So today they also released an updated version for August 2026. But what's interesting in today's report, at least for me and maybe for you guys, is that there is a new model that they're working on internally. Although they say that this model is not going to be released, we don't know if that is going to be the actual case. We might get a different version of this model, and it's codenamed Model 2. This is an internal model that is kind of buried between 186 pages of this paper, which luckily for you guys, I was able to go. I'm kidding. I didn't actually read 186 pages, but I found the areas that I think will be interesting for us to look at today. So I'm going to show you guys exactly that. So on page 16, if you go at the bottom, we kind of hear about Model 2 a little bit earlier as well. But Model 2, they mention over here, is somewhat more capable than Mythos 5. And then on their rough qualitative sense, they're saying that this model is a noticeable improvement on Mythos 5 for many tasks relevant to internal use, but does not display a capability jump of the degree observed from Claude Opus 4.6 to Mythos Preview. So what that basically means is that, yes, this model is something that exists. This model is something that they use internally. Do they expect to release this model? We don't know yet. But what we do know is that this model is better than Mythos 5, at least for internal tasks at the moment. But they're saying that this is not a crazy jump like we saw with Opus 4.6 to Mythos Preview. If you guys remember, which could be hard to remember because AI moves so fast, earlier this year we had Opus 4.6. This model was quite capable, but then they talked about Mythos Preview and the Project Glasswing, the whole thing happened. And when they actually dropped Mythos, which was Fable 5, we saw that that model was quite significantly better than Opus 4.6. So this model is not at that level. It's not going to be a major jump compared to Mythos 5, but it is better, which is good to know. Then they said, we do not currently have plans to release this model externally and have not run all of our typical suite of pre-deployment assessments. So we have somewhat lower confidence in our beliefs about its capabilities. So yeah, this is still an early model. This is still before they have actually ran assessments that they typically do when they launch a model. But they are saying that this model is better, but take that with a grain of salt. That's the essence of that section. And then what's really important to me, for example, is on page 185, they have a list of their models. So we have Claude Mythos 5, which we're all probably familiar with. Same thing with Fable 5. Then Mythos Preview. This was the model that was, for limited usage only. This was not widely deployed, and this was part of the Project Glasswing program. And then we had internal model 1, which was a legacy Mythos class model and not externally deployed. It was only for internal use, limited usage, and it was supposed to, not be used over time. We can see the usage nodes over there. But yeah, that's what it was. And then this is model number 2, which is a Mythos class model, not externally deployed, internal only, and internal usage similar to Mythos 5, more capable than Mythos 5 in some areas, less capable in others, overall slightly more capable, less extensive assessment, but broadly comparable to our production model. So this is something that, there is high chances that in the future we see a model like this. But I think the key message from today's, new discovery is that Model 2 exists, and it's quite likely that Anthropic is working on dropping another model that is going to be better than Mythos probably very soon. Of course, they have said that they are not, doing any sort of pre-deployment assessment yet. But one thing I will say is that the pressure on Anthropic has slightly gone up because we are seeing more and more models drop over this week and even last week. And these models are way cheaper compared to any of the models that, Anthropic has at the moment. Maybe that's why they reduced the price for Sonnet 5 last week. But anyways, this Model 2 is, I think, this is just me being very critical of Anthropic, could be another timely marketing release because we now know, or we're all going to be talking about Model 2. Oh my God, there's a Model 2 that they use internally is stronger than Mythos 5. And I wonder what that could be like. And I think that's the play over here because why would you mention Model 2 if you don't plan on releasing it? Why would you put it on a benchmark, right? And I'm going to show you guys that exactly. So if we go on page 100, before we continue, we just launched the Universe of AI newsletter. If you want to stay on top of AI news without having to hunt for it, link is in the description. Don't miss out. They show a internal test that they have, which is the CodeBench version 2. Now what CodeBench is, it's an internal evaluation measuring how well a model plays at a historical point in Anthropic's own infrastructure. So they give it code bases, logs, internal messaging, and docs at something that occurred in the past. And then the model has to diagnose the root cause of issues that Anthropic engineers actually solved. So basically they're giving it past problems to see if the model can solve it. And on this evaluation, model number 2 outperforms Mythos 5 and sits at 62.8%. Now, what's interesting is that they didn't include Opus 5 here or any of the, Fable 5 models, but you can just assume that they're probably a little bit better than Mythos 5 in my understanding of how their model lineup is currently at the moment, but it's probably below 62.8. Now, this doesn't mean much to us, but when you look at the bottom section over here, if the score reaches 85%, this would mean that the model was capable of fully substituting an Anthropic researcher. So that is kind of crazy because that means you could do R&D with a AI model and Anthropic would feel confident doing R&D with the AI model because it would be achieving a score at least of 85%, which is on par with, I guess, Anthropic's researcher. Now, these are internal metrics and these are internal, I guess, rubrics that they have created. So we don't know if it's going to be, quite accurate or anything like that. And we don't know if they actually plan on ever using a AI model for R&D. I think those days are probably ahead of us and they're probably going to come very quickly based off how fast AI has been moving recently. And based off of my understanding, I don't think they are planning on release Model 2 anytime soon. Most likely this is going to be like Model 1, an internal model that they never release. But I feel like this could be a signal that Anthropic is working on creating something new, something stronger than Mythos 5 that could be coming probably by sometime September, October. Now, the September, October is probably just me speculating because they are planning on IPOing anytime soon. And if they need to IPO and if they mention that they have a stronger model than number 2, as well, they are releasing a risk report. It signals two things to the capital markets. Number one, that Anthropic is probably going to drop something new, which means more revenue dollars. And number two, they have a risk framework that kind of makes them more digestible to, traditional investors. But anyways, we see that play with OpenAI as well. They also released a risk report, and in there, they kind of signaled at internal models that are quite strong. But yeah, today we know that Model 2 exists. It's better than Mythos 5. We don't know if it's going to come out anytime soon. My guess, my educated guess, which I don't know if it means a lot to you guys, but is that it's going to probably signal that there's a new model, probably let's say Mythos 5.2, or I don't know what the naming could be, coming sometime around September and October. But that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Follow our new newsletter as well at universeofai.beehive.com. As well, subscribe to the main channel World of AI and support us on X by following the Universe of AIZ as well. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.